Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make tahini. Tahini can be used in a variety of dishes, especially sauces. I will be making tahini to use in my hummus recipe. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. Toast 1 cup of sesame seeds on a medium-low heat until lightly colored, not brown. It will take about 3 to 5 minutes. When you start to smell the nutty flavor, you know it's ready. After it has cooled down, pour the seeds into the food processor. I will be using a small food processor because it's only 1 cup of seeds. You will see it has a crumbled texture. To make it more creamy, add 2 tablespoons of natural oil. You can use grapeseed oil or olive oil. You can see it has a more creamy texture now. Add a pinch of salt. The tahini is now ready to bottle. You can keep it in your fridge for up to 1 month. Thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see my hummus video, check the link in the description below. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. I will see you next time. Bye guys.